Hi guys, 안녕하세요. This is Chuck. Welcome to my channel. I have just received Atomy products and I'm so excited to share this product with you. I love every bit of Atomy products, from the packaging to the Atomy products quality. Look at these guys. Look at the packaging, guys. Isn't it impressive? It's intact. It is trustworthy. Guys, let's open and see what's inside. Guys, these are some of the Atomy products. This is specially recommended for dull and flaky skin. Evening care 4 set. This is one of my favorite. It is highly recommended Atomy products. Must try it. This is Atomy Sunscreen. This is our Atomy Toothpaste, and this is our foam cleanser. So guys, these are some of the Atomy products. Don't you want to try? As for me, I'm completely satisfied with the product as it really improved my skin. Thank you Atomy. Thank you Atomy India management team for the tremendous efforts. It is true to its business motto. It is indeed absolute quality and absolute price. And I'm eagerly waiting for the health supplement and other product to be launched in India. And I'm excited for the future of Atomy. I am a proud Atomian. What about you?